Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make a very quick and tasty recipe, which is harissa tray bake chicken. The main ingredient for this recipe, we are going to use the spicy harissa paste that we bought from the shop, and this brings out the flavor. Harissa is a mix of red peppers, herbs and spices. The rest of my ingredients are, I have here 4 chicken breast which I'm going to score. I've got robot peppers which I'm going to use half of each. I'm also going to use a red onion, and I'm also going to use 1 stem of my leek. Thereafter, I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of oil, 4 cloves of garlic which I'll crush, and my spicy harissa paste which I'll use 4 teaspoons. A sprinkle of mixed herbs, a crack of black pepper, and a generous grain of salt. And thereafter I'm using a 1/4 cup of white wine. To make my sauce at the end, I'm going to use half a cup of coconut milk. Then to garnish, I'm going to use a little bit of my mint leaves. You can prepare this recipe ahead of time for a quick after work recipe. In the meantime, I also got my oven preheating at 180. Now we are going to start preparing our chicken and vegetables. Here I have a nice size of oven tray that will be sufficient for my veggie and chicken. I've cut my peppers in half. I'm going to start by breaking them roughly and putting it onto my baking tray. I'm going to use my hands to give them a rough break. You can use a knife, but sometimes it's good to work roughly. Yeah, I've cut my onions into quarters and I'm going to separate it like rose petals. This is already looking so colorful, and I'm just going to throw in my leek, which is optional. And also my garlic. I'll wash my hand quickly and get back. I'm going to use a generous sprinkle of mixed herbs. Also a generous crack of pepper. And also a generous grain of salt. To this, I'm going to add my oil. And my white wine vinegar. I am going to use 4 teaspoons of my harissa paste. This is a very mild recipe, but if you like it a little hot, you can use cayenne pepper or paprika. This is my chicken breast, and this is how I scored it into 3 deep cuts. This is that the harissa get into the chicken. I am going to use my hand to mix this up thoroughly to make sure the harissa spice get into the chicken and the veggies and the salt, my oil and my vinegar. Now it's mixed up properly, so I'm going to pick up the chicken breast and place it on top. Like this. Firstly, I'm going to wash my hand and get back. I am going to quickly give my chicken breast a crack of pepper to it. And a grain of salt just to season my chicken breast. Now I am ready to pop this into the oven for 35 to 40 minutes. We will check on the way at 180 degrees. "40 minutes has passed for our chicken being in the oven, and now we are ready to take it out of the oven and pour in our coconut milk and put back into the oven for another 5 minutes. In between the time, I did turn my chicken breast around. This is already looking like it's done, but we had to give it another 5 more minutes for our coconut cream. I will quickly pop this back into the oven and allow it for another 5 minutes. 10 minutes has passed and we are ready to take our chicken out of the oven. Here you go, your harissa spiced chicken baked with some peppers and onions, and it's all ready now. And now I'm ready to add the final touch, which is the garnish of the mint. And to this point we are ready to serve. Today we are serving our chicken breast with spicy rice. You can check the spicy rice recipe with our Nando's and chicken strip recipe. So this is how I will serve my chicken breast onto the spicy rice, is placing a piece of breast on the rice and then scooping the vegetable and the gravy onto the chicken breast. And now this is ready to serve. There you go, your lovely serving of your harissa tray baked chicken served with spicy rice. You can also serve this with some lovely salad on the side. This is a milder version of our chicken strips and spicy rice. I hope you'll give this a try, because even your kids can eat them. Thank you all for watching and enjoy.